So I guess I'm their opponent. Ugh. What are we doing talking like this? Look, if we want to fight, then that's the best we can do. That's embarrassing. I think you did that on purpose, right? Son of a...
Oh, me? Let's go then. These guys are trippy. But don't worry, friend, I can do this for the honesty. The more we talk, I really know we're having to Ryan. That's painful.
Okay, now that's very economic. What the You picked me. Well, let's get to it. It's not like I could say some other things like the other day. A fighting chance to a bested effort. That's just a fail call. Okay, that's not supposed to happen. Whoa, what the heck? Okay, that's definitely pushed some pounders in my... That is unexpected. That's painful, but I can still live with that. That hurts, but I can still fight. Oh, that's gotta be in the pain of directions. What the basket? Okay, I should know I won't reach that far. What the heck? Okay, that just really hurts. Pain is gang. What is happening right now? Okay, that's one false move. That's hurts and pain at the same time. That hurts so much. I never thought I would hit the pain, but now I'm really feeling the pain. Looks like I win, Dexter. Wait, I finally beat you. I guess I'm the only best around in the town now, eh?
You guys are so easy to please. But don't worry. I'm gonna make this like another rematch. Looks like the fun has ever ended. Which is for you, Doc.
It's understandable. Probably he's a little bit work. It's unforgotten. This is Vertopia. Excellent. I finally beat Drix now. But I don't consider it to be the wins, but I guess I take that anyway. Yes. Eat that. Looks like your soul has been mine. Excellent. Now, it's over for you.
Oh, I win. That's a step much compadre. Excellent. I never thought I could take you down, but I guess I win. Looks like this guy's really like a stinker. But it's always been easy. Ugh. That's gotta hurt. Okay, that was the wrong move. But I'm getting better.
I dealt death before, but still, it's like my body's fused and split up to one way to another. I guess that one didn't end so badly. Jeez, this is just not my day. Okay, that's just kind of hurt. I think the player doing it on purpose, right? Okay, if you were to keep doing this, I'm just gonna go my regular. And done. What? More words? Nope, that's all.
Victory! Victory. And notched it. Looks like I won. For you, Elder.